We've been working on this project for a really long time, and I'm so happy that it turned out exactly like we imagined it. It's quite a spacious apartment. It's around 3000 square feet with 4 bedrooms. So when you enter the apartment, it opens directly into the living area. But I always like to create a space for the entryway, and here we did that with a large black credenza and 2 large mirrors mounted above it to complete the vignette. Since it's an open floor plan, we decided to break up the space by adding wooden rafters to the ceiling for the living area. And it also adds a lot of visual impact the moment you enter the space. The living room again is a really large space, so we decided to divide it into 2 sections to make it more intimate. So for the more formal area, we went for 2 compact sofas facing each other, which makes it a great space for conversations. My most favorite part of the formal living space is the built-in bookshelf which we added, and I had so much fun styling it. So the informal living area is more like a family room. So we went for a large comfortable sectional in a deep blue and paired it with mid-century style accent chairs and a lovely tan shade. To make the space more cozy, we wanted to add some texture to the space, so we went for the classic white brick wall finish for the TV wall, and it turned out great for the space. For the powder room, we went for a very pretty blue tile feature wall for the vanity section. For the cabinetry, we went for a light oak finish, which complements the blue really well. And to complete the space, we added a large round brass mirror and 2 pendant lights. For the master, the idea was to create a retreat. So we kept it simple with a neutral upholstered bed and mid-century style nightstands, and added a beautiful woven bench at the foot of the bed. We also created a cozy reading nook in the corner, and in order to add some subtle texture to the space, we went for the shiplap wall paneling. We actually added a lot of different furniture styles throughout the space, which makes it more personal and gives it a lived-in feel to the home.